Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Having long hair is absolutely good, but keeping them beautifully is another skill. In this video, we're going to show you some beautiful hairstyles that you can copy and at your home itself. So let's just begin. And in this style, we start with a ponytail, then using a cotton ruler-like material, we roll the hair. Then we make the hair like a circle and there is a knot and we make it like a top bun. So here also there is a top bun and we use cotton flowers to tie around that bun. And here we have braided the hair and we have two braids. So this is also braiding the hair, and here we are just twisting the hair. Okay, just twisting the hair, and using a finger we have a hold and we clip it there. Okay, so that's very simple. Here we demonstrate braiding hair, but along with braiding we have some threads. Different colored threads are used along with hair. So we braid using them also, so that looks more beautiful. Now we twist the hair in this style, then using a stick we roll around that stick, then twist it. Okay, so that's it. Here also we braid the hair, but in a different style. We take only half of the hair and that is being braided. Here also we are braiding. Then this style is somewhat different from normal braiding. We have 4 thread-like pieces of hair. We divide the total hair into 4 parts. Here we use red, blue, such long threads along with hair to braid. Here also we use a thread. Here we are using red colored thread. Then we are braiding along with that thread. Here is also another style. So as you can see, all these styles make our hair look beautiful. This doesn't cost too much. This is very simple. This can be learned at ease. If you keep on watching this video and trying that, practice that, you can easily copy it. So this is an easy task. You should definitely try it at your home. Here we have a ruler-like stick, then we roll the hair, okay, then roll it, then we can rotate it. So we have a circle. Now we can fill it, we can make it asymmetrical, then some beads or flowers can be attached to make it more colorful and beautiful. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.